Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to learn AWS as a beginner. Begin by grasping the fundamental concepts of cloud computing and the core AWS services. Next, activate your AWS free tier account. This allows you to experiment with many services without cost, which is crucial for practical learning. Finally, consider pursuing the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner certification to validate your foundational knowledge and build confidence. To solidify your understanding, start building small, practical projects. Experiment with services such as EC2 for virtual servers and S3 for storage. Leverage the extensive official AWS documentation and numerous online tutorials available. Additionally, engage with online communities and forums. They offer invaluable support, answer questions, and provide diverse perspectives on common challenges. Once you have a solid foundation, consider specializing in an area that interests you, such as a solutions architect or developer path. Dive deeper by practicing with real-world scenarios and analyzing detailed case studies to understand practical applications. Preparing for an associate-level certification, like the AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate, will further validate your specialized skills and knowledge. Continuous learning is key in the rapidly evolving cloud landscape. Make it a habit to stay updated with new AWS services and evolving features through blogs and announcements. Networking with other professionals in the cloud computing industry can open doors to new opportunities and insights. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.